Hey, my name's Jake, and this is Transverse Audio. I make videos to help you get better at audio production, such as the best free plugins you can use, like realistic instruments, synthesizers, and a bunch of effect plugins. Even though I make most of my tutorials in FL Studio, I also make tutorials for free DAWs like LMMS, Cakewalk, and SoundBridge, to name a few. If you make EDM, music for video games, or sound effects, I'm sure you'll enjoy the content I make, which includes tips and blog posts on my community tab. Whatever genre you do make, I hope my tutorials on mixing and mastering help as well. So consider subscribing or checking out my videos at least to see what you like. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the comments section, and I'd be happy to try and answer your questions. As always, thanks for watching.